Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy millet upma recipe, which is a perfect healthy meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner. You can also enjoy this as an evening snack. So let's get started with the recipe. To make millet upma, I'm using one medium-sized carrot which I have grated, half of a capsicum finely chopped, 2 sprigs of organic garden fresh curry leaves, a small piece of ginger which I'll be grating and adding in, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 green chilies chopped. Green chilies you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. I'm using 4 leftover Foxtail Millet idlis which was naturally fermented without adding any rice. Now this is straight from the refrigerator. This is one great way to use up leftover idlis. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 2 tablespoons wood pressed sesame oil. Sesame oil is also known as til oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon jeera also known as cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black sesame seeds, and once it splutters, add in 2 teaspoons split urad dal. I'm using organic black split urad dal. That is 2 teaspoons split urad dal, 2 teaspoons chana dal also known as kadala parippu in Malayalam. Give this a stir. Into this I'm adding in 3 tablespoons organic raw peanuts. So that is 3 tablespoons organic raw peanuts, 2 tablespoons roasted chana dal also known as puttu kadala or puri kadala. Give this a stir and lightly roast the peanuts. And once the peanuts are roasted, I'm removing this to another plate. Now you don't need to remove this to another plate, but over the years I have found that when you do this, the peanuts and the chana dal will retain their crunch. So this is just a personal preference. So I'm going to keep this aside. Into the kadai, I'm adding in the chopped onion and green chilies. I'm giving it a stir. I'm grating in the ginger. Give it a stir. I'm using wood pressed sesame oil in this recipe. Sesame oil helps to balance your hormones. Hence, it is ideal for those with health issues like thyroid and PCOS. Always try to include wood pressed oils in your diet for your better health. Allow it to saute for about a minute or 2 or until the onions are transparent and light pink in color. Okay, now the onions are light pink in color and is transparent. At this stage, I am adding in the carrot, grated carrot. Give it a stir. Remember, I am cooking in a heavy bottomed cast iron kadai which retains more heat. So cooking process will be a lot faster. Also, cast iron helps in better iron absorption. I am adding in 2 sprigs of garden fresh organic curry leaves. I am tearing the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. Curry leaves are a good source of iron and folate. Hence, I prefer to use them in my recipes. However, instead of curry leaves, you can also use coriander leaves. Next, I am adding in the chopped capsicum. And I am mixing it and allowing it to saute along with the rest of the ingredients. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. Into this I am adding in half teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I am using Vigon turmeric which has high curcumin content. Next I am adding in 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps in better assimilation of the active ingredient in turmeric known as curcumin. So whenever you are using turmeric, make sure you use at least a fat pinch of black pepper powder for better assimilation of turmeric. Give this all a good mix. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Remember, there is already salt in the Foxtail Millet idli. So add salt accordingly. Next, I am crumbling in the Foxtail Millet idli. I'm just crumbling it with my hand and adding in. A very simple, easy and healthy recipe. You can enjoy it as a breakfast, lunch or even as an evening snack or as a healthy dinner. This idli is straight from the refrigerator and one of the best way to use up leftover idlis. Give it a good stir. And the best part is no one will guess that this is made from leftover idlis and that it is made with millets. Super healthy, wholesome meal which can be enjoyed by the whole family. I'm sprinkling in a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons. This is to help the idli soften. And once nicely mixed, I'm adding in the roasted peanuts. Over the years, I found that when you remove the peanuts after frying and then adding it towards the end will help to retain its crunch. But it's just a matter of personal preference. Sprinkling in a fat pinch of asafoetida powder, also known as kayam in Malayalam. This is my homemade asafoetida powder. I've already shared how to make asafoetida powder at home. Please do check it out. And lastly, I'm squeezing in 1 lemon. I did not have any lemon at hand, so I'm using 1 lime. Turn off the flame and immediately transfer to another plate. If your cast iron is well seasoned like mine, there is no problem in using lemon towards the end of the cooking, but you should immediately remove it from the kadai. So I'm transferring it to another plate. And my super healthy Foxtail Millet Upma is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy upma and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.